Welcome to English Close channel. In today's lesson, we'll see 10 benefits of learning English tenses. 1. Improved communication. Understanding and using the correct tenses helps you convey the timing of your actions and events accurately, making your communication clearer and more precise. 2. Enhanced writing skills. Mastery of tenses enables you to write more effectively, whether you're crafting essays, reports, or creative stories, by clearly expressing when actions take place. 3. Better comprehension. Knowing the tenses helps you understand written and spoken English more thoroughly, as you can easily grasp the timeline of events being described. 4. Fluency in speaking. Proper use of tenses makes your speech more natural and fluent, allowing you to engage in conversations with greater ease and confidence. 5. Accurate expression of ideas. Tenses allows you to express complex ideas about the past, present, and future, helping you discuss events, plans, and experiences accurately. 6. Improved listening skills. Recognizing tenses in speech enhances your ability to follow conversations and understand the context and sequence of events. 7. Better academic performance. In academic settings, a good grasp of tenses is crucial for success in exams, essays, and presentations, where precise language use is often evaluated. 8. Professional advantages. In professional context, correct use of tenses can improve the clarity and professionalism of your communication, whether in emails, reports, or presentations. 9. Enhanced learning of other languages. Understanding English tenses can provide a framework for learning the tenses of other languages, as many languages have similar grammatical structures. 10. Cultural understanding. Mastery of tenses can enhance your understanding of English literature, media, and cultural nuances, as the correct use of tenses often plays a key role in storytelling and expression. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next videos about tenses in English.